Hi guys, so today we're going to be opening and reviewing the My Little Pony Explore Equestria Shimmer Flutter range. In this series we've got two different ponies, Princess Twilight Sparkle and Princess Celestia. Again, I'm not actually too sure what the RRP is on these. I managed to get them in Asda reduced to £2.97 each, so that's the only reason that I was able to get them from new, unlike all my other second-hand G4 collection. So first of all, let's take a closer look at them in their packaging. So we can see this is Twilight Sparkle. Each pony comes with detachable wings, so she's got a little hole in her back which you can put these big wings on, like angel type wings, a tiara and a comb. If you look at the back of the packaging, we've got a nice picture of Twilight. Artwork on the front shows a vector of Twilight Sparkle from the Friendship is Magic series, and you've got the little Explore Equestria logo there with the hot air balloon. You also, unfortunately for me, I don't have a smartphone so I can't use these, but included with every pony they have a special scannable heart on their hoof which you can scan and open up some kind of game on your smartphone. So let's see what we've got in here. I didn't actually mean what we've got, they're not mysteries. Okay. So, oh, there's so much tape on these things. I really just cannot be bothered anymore. Luckily I don't save the back cards anymore, so I can just, for the most part, open them up quite easily. On the front of the back card, which is a very strange thing to say, you get like a background scene from Friendship is Magic. So this is Twilight's bedroom, obviously. It's quite cute. That's the health and safety warning. That for now. I think I know not to eat my pony and choke on it. So, got a little comb here, purple to match Twilight's colours. And Twilight, you don't want to be stuck in your packaging forever. It's her little tiara. Still solid coloured, which is a bit different because usually Twilight has a pink star on the front of her tiara. Just take the plastic strip out of her mane. You can comb her hair. Elastic band out of her tail. So just give her hair a little comb. I don't find that the combs that come with G4 ponies are particularly good for their hair. I prefer to use old-fashioned Barbie brushes because I find they're better at dealing with box hair, as I call it, when they first come out of the packaging. But yeah, there you go. That's Twilight. Quite unusual now to see Twilight as a unicorn, but of course that's easily changed. We can quickly turn her into an alicorn because you can see it's like a little key between the wings which slots into the hole on her back. And suddenly Twilight is an alicorn again. Here's her crown. I love these sparkly wings. They're very angelic in their design. They do remind me of angel ponies rather than alicorns, but I know the look they were going for. And then we have Princess Celestia, very similar packaging, nice window on the front to show you what you're getting, pony tiara, wings and comb, same as Twilight Sparkle. Got the picture on the back there, and then you get a close-up of Princess Celestia, Vector, and again the Explorer Equestria logo. Doing too well here. Need to take this sellotape off. Just take a look again at the background art. Just posted inside Canterlot Castle. Grand hallway. It's quite nice. And here we have Princess Celestia. One thing I love about the G-Force is how the combs are colour-coded to their mains usually. I just think, the thing with G3s was their combs were all the same colour as their bodies, which didn't always match their hair, but just take this plastic strip out of her mane. This crazy, crazy box hair. Drives me absolutely nutty. I'll have a go at combing it with her own comb. That's all I've got to hand. So Princess Celestia has got 3 colours in her mane, as you can see. Blue, purple, and then like a lighter pinky purple. It's quite interesting to see Celestia as an ordinary pony, because I'm so used to seeing her as one of the big alicorns. So again, the wings slot into her back like so. So not even much like that. There we are. And her wings are basically decorated with little glittery suns to match her cutie mark, which you can see is a sun, obviously. And she's got a little tiara there. So yeah, that's the My Little Pony Explorer Equestria Shimmer Flutter range, complete with all their accessories. Just going to do a close-up for you of these 2 ponies. Sorry, the light's really gone now, so this will be the last video that I pre-record today. Yeah, I think these are actually probably one of my favourite G4 sets. As I said, I'm not sure what the RRP is, so I wouldn't be able to afford them at that price just because I'm broke. But I love their twinkly wings. I love that they're kind of made out of this, I don't know what this is. It's kind of a foamy plush material, which means their wings actually can move about a bit. You can kind of move them as they fly along. But I mean, I've had a few of these actually second hand without their accessories, but they're not half as cute without their wings. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please give a thumbs up, subscribe, and just post your comments below about what you think about the My Little Pony Explorer Equestria Shimmer Flutters range. And I'll speak to you all next Sunday with another My Little Pony video. Bye!